Hey guys, Josh helped me build this vending machine. And so how it works is you take your credit card and you put it in the credit card slot like this, and you take it out, or you can just put it in, like this, sit. And if you want A1, you is $4,000. A1 is $8,000. A2 $4,000. A3 $3,000, and A4 $1,000. And you press the button at whichever you want. So I'm gonna go with A1, the Snickers. I already put in my credit card. Pull it like this. And it comes out. And if it gets like stuck, see that I got stuck in there? Pull it out like this.
And what's that called?
It's called a
service panel.
Service panel. And you can close it back up, and there's tape on it so it'll stick. Like this. And you have a candy bar. So I'm going to go for A2 for this the chocolate bar for $4,000 for my credit card. A2 for my candy bar. And there's my candy bar.
Cool.
Yeah, really cool.